2.5a, exponents on fractions. Remember that exponents are repeated multiplication. So 2 squared, so 2 to the second power, would be 2 multiplied by itself 2 times. That's what we mean by repeated multiplication. An exponent on a fraction is just repeated multiplication on that fraction. So let's go through a couple examples, and I'll show you what I mean. Example 1, compute a over 2b squared. Well, just like before, the squared here denotes that we multiply it by itself twice. So I just write a over 2b and a over 2b here, and I carry out fraction multiplication like normal. So I multiply numerator with numerator, so a times a is a squared, and on the bottom, 2b times 2b is 4b squared. And we have our answer. Another way I could have gone about this is I can sort of distribute the squared to both top and bottom of the fraction. Let me show you what I mean by this. A over 2b squared, we'll start where we did last time. I can put the squared on top and bottom. So this becomes a squared over 2b squared. Now you have to be careful because you got to get the whole thing in parentheses. The whole top and the whole bottom. It's not 2 on the outside, b squared, it's 2b squared. Well, why is this different? We'll see. A squared is just a squared, right? But 2b squared with the 2 on the inside is 2b times 2b, which is just a squared over 4b squared. If the 2 was on the outside of this parentheses, this would have been a 2 here, which is incorrect. So make sure to have the whole thing in parentheses if you're going to go about this method. Both ways work the same, it's just some are better for different situations. So let's go through an example, another example. I measured the side of a square pickup bed to be 9 over 16 meters. What is the area of the bed? So we know that area of a square is just side times side, right? Side squared. So if a side is 9 over 16 meters, then area equals s squared, which is just 9 over 16 squared. So all we have to do is compute 9 over 16 squared. Well, how do we do this? Just like before. We can go 9 over 16 times 9 over 16 and multiply straight across. So 9 times 9 is 81, and 16 times 16 is 256. So our answer is 81 over 256 meters squared. So we write meters squared because we've multiplied 9 over 16 meters times 9 over 16 meters. So it's meters times meters, so it's meters squared. That's where it comes from.